weather view for this morning. Hi, Oregon. Beautiful day. There's some birds that are hunting this morning. Come on, Archie, you can do it. Up, up. Yeah. Good morning, sweetie. Morning from Oregon. The last few days I was in Eureka, California, getting the van fixed. The back tires were almost separating. So the front passenger seat where Archie was sitting was vibrating really severely. So I took it in and they said that there was like a big issue with the two back tires, so they needed to replace them completely. And then I got two new ones. And so we were there with some friends. We visited Redwood National Park, went for a hike, checked out the beach, and now I'm in Oregon hoping to visit Oregon Caves today and head out also to Crater Lake. So super excited. I'm making breakfast right now, pancakes. I think I made too many pancakes. Should I eat them all? Maybe start with 2. Maybe I'll get hungry again later. Excuse me. I'm looking for Oregon Caves. Do you know where that is? Oh. So there aren't any like marked trails to get to a good spot by the river, so I think I'm just going to follow this random footpath and see if we can find a nice beach. Mosquito bites are so itchy. This is gonna feel so good. So after we went to the beautiful river, we decided to start making our way to Crater Lake. This is actually my first time in Oregon, and the National Park Service says that Crater Lake inspires awe. Native Americans witnessed its formation 7,700 years ago when a violent eruption triggered the collapse of a tall peak. Scientists marvel at its purity. Fed by rain and snow, it's the deepest lake in the USA and one of the most pristine on Earth. Artists, photographers, and sightseers gaze in wonder at its blue water and stunning setting atop the Cascade Mountain range.
Everybody needs to look like you're having a good time. Big smiles, everybody's smiling.
So after our short visit to Crater Lake, we made our way to Mount Shasta, where we found some beautiful waterfalls all around that area. So some were accessible. This one we were able to actually swim inside, and it was just so lovely. We also went to Heart Lake, which is a wonderful small lake that's also near Mount Shasta. And yeah, we then found some BLM land to park the van for the night and just really enjoyed some peace and quiet after a long day. I do this all the time where I put something that gets stuck under the drawer and I can't open the drawer anymore. No. No. Help. What do I do? And Archie's looking at me like, God, look at this idiot. I tried to slide the drawer above it out so I can reach in and get it. The most embarrassing thing about this is, one, I do it all the time, and two, I don't have Tupperware, so I put the leftover pancakes back in the pan and put the lid on the pan, and then I put it in this drawer to eat for later. I did it! I took a fork and I like stuck it in and I MacGyvered it out. Look, that's what happened.